Right, other set of buttons on the right hand side here basically change what's happening in that screen. So hopefully you can see across the screen there at the top, you've got a little picture of a car currently, then you've got a little speedo range, then you've got a picture of a car with some lines on the side of it, then a radio, then a flag, and then a little cog for your settings. So changing all of those are done by pressing that button. So once we've pressed the button, that moves the cursor across, and then we've got a different selection. So at the moment it's telling me that I've got a range of 277 miles, and it will give me my instant MPG by a light coming around the corner as I drive, and then it'll give us an instant MPG in the middle. But by pressing the move button, I can now change that to tell me what the auto stop start says. Press it again is the tyre pressures, which will come on once the car started moving. A trip A, trip B, my actual trip timing, and back to the same again, and that's all by pressing that button. Okay, so if we press that button again, we've now got a rev counter with a digital speedo, and if I press move again, which is that button there, I've changed it to a different style one. So we've basically got two different styles of electronic or digital speedo. I'm pressing the little picture that looks like a book again, which has changed the lane keeping on and off, which if I press it, it's now on standby, and the little picture down the bottom's come on. I press it again and it's switched off. Next one tells me what radio station I'm listening to, which I've got on mute at the moment, so it's not on there, but that will come on there. Next one is a picture of the sat nav, and by pressing the move button, I can now actually put a version of my sat nav in there. So we can have it like that, or we can have it like that, and we've still got our speedo going up that side and our rev counter going up that side. Or we've got an exact copy. So basically it's a mirroring system of what's on there, and we can go back to the compass, and I'm pressing the little book again, and this gives you all your different your settings. So you've got driver assist settings, dashboard settings, display settings, that sort of stuff. So if I want to go down to say vehicle settings, I'll just press the move button until it gets to where I want it to be, and then there's an OK beside that. So if I press the OK, it's now changed what I want to be on there. So let's just go down using the move button to say convenience, and I've got the steering wheel alignment setting is on, which is showing you which way the steering wheel is going. Wiper mode display, LiPo mode display, and I can just go down through all of those. Approach welcome, long-term parking, and if I want to switch any of those on and off, I literally just press the OK button. So there you go, I've pressed the OK button, taken the tick out of that box. I'll put it back on again now. So that's all you're doing with that. Press the little book again to go back, and then move to go down, reset all settings, driver assist settings. If I want to enter that, press OK, and then I've got the safety features. So I've got autonomous emergency braking for me, go down for forward collision sensitivity, so that's like an accident avoidance, and we've got slow, medium or fast, and there I can change how quickly I want that to actually work. Generally keep it on the medium setting. Then below that, lane departure warning, lane keep assist is on, traffic sign recognition is there, traffic signal recognition warning for if you're going too fast. We've then got front departure alert, so if you're not paying attention in the traffic and the car moves off, that'll actually beep at you and tell you to start driving forward. Driver attention alert, the car will monitor how you're driving and tell you if you need a sleep, etc. So that's all on the settings buttons there, and that's all to do with just those three. You can't do anything wrong. You can also, always go back and tick or untick, and then horn is in the center.